There, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add a video to your main Mailchimp Mailchimp email using playable. So it automatically plays as soon as your audience open your email. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into your Mailchimp account. Once you are in, click on Create Campaign button on the top right of your dashboard. From there, choose Regular Campaign and give your campaign a name. Then click Begin. Step 2. Set up your Mailchimp campaign by selecting your recipient list and filling out the necessary details like your campaign name, subject line, and preview text. Step 3. Choose a Mailchimp template. Now decide where you want to place your video. Placing it at the top of your template is often a great way to boost engagement. After making your selection, click Next Step Design. Step 4. Add content to your email template using the classic Mailchimp editor. Drag in an image block where you want the video to appear. Think of this block as your placeholder that will be replaced with the video. Now that your template is ready, let's set up your video using Payable. Step 5. Sign up for a Payable account if you have not already. When you're signing up, connect your Mailchimp and Payable accounts. It's make things super simple for your video email campaign. Payables offers a 30-day free trial so you can test it out risk-free. Step 6. Once you are in your Payable dashboard, click Videos from the menu and hit plus Add Video. Step 7. You can upload your video in two ways. Either paste a URL from platform like YouTube, Vimeo or TikTok, or upload your video directly from your computer. Once uploaded, click Apply to save it. And that's it. Your video is now ready to embed into your Mailchimp email. Save your changes in Mailchimp and you are all set to send email with an autoplay video. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.